Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction. Established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1989, the International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction is commemorated every year on the 13th of October. The day aims to raise awareness about the global initiatives aimed at reducing disaster exposure and the vulnerabilities. 2023 theme for the day is Fighting Inequality for a Resilient Future. Let's break the cycle. The third UN World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction, held in Sendai in 2015, brought to light the fact that it is the local communities that are most severely impacted during disasters, often resulting in significant loss of life and economic disruptions. Centered around a human-focused and actionable strategy, the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction strives to ensure that disaster risk measures are effective and sustainable. Current climate models project a concerning trend where the world could be grappling with as many as 560 disasters on an annual basis by the year 2030. In light of these projections and the increasing role of ecosystem degradation in exacerbating disaster risk, the Sendai Framework has now recognized the crucial role of sustainable ecosystem management in disaster risk reduction.